Right, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add this cool button here. I know it's a download now, so I'll just take an example and making it a link. So if you click it, well, also going to be thrown through how you can just add an image with no link and a link on its own. So get started by opening this, and we'll take it back to the default of what it was when I started the tutorial. So I can say this is what it is like if you've been following me, just like this. Now, as we showed you, we added a background color, which is here. We told it to say a title of YouTube tutorials, which is here, and a background color of AEB FD2, which is like a kind of bluey kind of color, which is here. So, and we told it to say hello world in green and underlined, which is here. Now, how to make a link. Now, if you go onto a web page such as Google, Google anything, so I'll just Google hi. You can Google any, or Facebook. There's a lot of them as well. Nearly every website has it. There's probably got one website that probably don't, which is just text. So every time you see a link here, like this link is taking me to a website. These links are taking me to a website. Every single link, number 2, number 3, they're all linked. Every single link is called an href. Now if I right click and view page source, just a few to you. Actually no, this is JavaScript, so it won't be in here. But if I just right click and inspect element, HTML, as you can see, the don't worry about all this bit here. And then it's a href, and that's the link. That's the bit I'm worried about, because Google's pretty good website, it's all JavaScript and stuff like that. That's why I had yet. So you're going to do the crocodile mouth, as I call them. Control, and then the one next to M. Then A, which is anchor, and then href. It's like hyphen, I can't remember, but then it equals open speech marks. Now, you need with HTML, like on the attribute of anchor tag, you need to add a full link. You can't just do facebook.com or whatever site you want. You have to do http // I'll do my website, so software master. I'll do the forum actually, forum.tk, and then end it. Do the /. Now, if I hover over what I had earlier, it said hello, this is me. Or if I go to yeah, don't worry about that images folder. That's what we'll be doing next. If I open my index here, as you can see, if I hover over this, it says YouTube tutorial. Now, you've seen people have this on links and things like that. When you hover over it, they download this link now or whatever. That is called a title of the href. So after that, you do title equals open speech mark. You can go in between the open speech mark. You're gonna do type whatever. So my forum. So you're going to close it, the open section. So you're saying, I want the anchor tag to a link to your website, and I want the title when you hover over it saying my forum. Now you're just going to type it like whatever you want it to appear on the page when you click. So I'll type in hello. Then you're going to end the anchor tag by doing that, and then // like I said to do how to end any tag, but just the anchor tag. Save, and then if we refresh, it'll just say hello, which I just saved it as there. So if I type in my forum, save, refresh, my forum. Now if I click that, it'll take me to here. Now most of you are probably wondering how, like, go back. If I don't actually full click it, if I just hold the click down, it stays red. every time you add a background color using CSS, I've worked this out, CSS by doing it in the style tag of the head, it automatically does it, so you don't need to rush. We'll be learning more about CSS in my next tutorial, so you can add hover effects, and then I'll start going on to JavaScript, which was that Google thing, but not advanced. But anyway, back to the tutorial. That's a link, how you add a link. Now, an image, I'm going to be adding, I've found an image just off my website, of my download page, which is this download button. Now it's open now, but as you can see it's there. We're opening it on a big screen, and it's a download now, which I use for my other website just here. Pretty big, that's how big it will be on the website, but we're changing that. So if I just copy this, and just delete. Right, now, what we're going to do is I'm going to just go back, and where it has your index page, you're going to make a new folder called images or whatever you want. Then in the images, you're going to go in and paste all the images you want. It helps if you do if you like, it's hard to explain, like when you're adding an image, it kind of like picks, like say for example you had it in a folder, it's like kind of directory. It's like you're directing it as it's going along. Like for example here, look, it says from here, Tony and Jamie, which is the desktop name, go to my app data, and it's follow it all across here. It's like directories, you know what I mean. That's the best way to explain it, and then you keep on going. Like when you're doing this is how it is. So if I go to my folder, my website folder, there it is. Go to my images and hit my download button, copy it, close that, go into my HTML tutorials, and then go into my images when it loads up, and then paste it, and as you can see, it pastes there. And if we right click, go to properties, and this is a JPEG if it says it there. Whatever it says there, just remember, dot whatever it is. Try and save it as a .jpeg if you can. I'll be showing you how to do that, convert them into different things in another tutorial, but it is a .jpeg, but you might be a .gif, .png, whatever, but mine's a .jpeg. And that's in my images folder, and we need to remember that. Now we go here, and if I just go over here and just make 2 line breaks, I'm going to add a new thing called image source src equals open speech marks, and it's called images. So this is what I was talking about directory. If you had it in no folder, it's just with all the other folders, which would be confusing. You'll just type in downloads or whatever the name of the button's called or the picture's called. So I've got it in a directory or folder called images. So I'll type in images /. Now if we go to here, it goes to images, then you do the /. Now you need to just right click it, rename and copy if you don't know it off by heart, and then just paste. Now mine's a .jpeg, so I'll do .jpg. Yours might be a .png or .gif. Mine's .jpg. Then the open speech mark. Then instead of just ending it like as you would do on a normal tag, you gotta do after the close the speech mark space / and close it like that, because it's its own like sprite kind of thing. If you're talking in game language and C# and all that, it's its own like kind of object, so you don't need to, that's my way of remembering, you don't need to kind of, it has its own area. Close that. But anyway, that's an image, so if we save, refresh, images there. And you're probably all thinking, oh my god, that is huge, this is rubbish, I don't want it that big. Doesn't matter how big your image is, when you save it, you can always change it in the HTML. After you've added the source of the image, you do space, and you do width equals open speech mark, and between speech marks, I'd say a reasonable size is about, I'd probably say 200 px for pixels. Then you do another one, height equals, I'll do 80 pixels, and then open speech marks, then save, refresh, and look, there it is. And you can just change around till you get there. Now, converting that into that, connecting them both, so that you can click on the image and it takes you to this. It's pretty simple. Like as I showed you how to make a link, which is here, and it says My Forum, so you click the My Forum. Instead, you want to make it click the image, so you get the image tag. Control C to copy, and just take that away. Now, where it says My Forum, you're going to take that, just going to highlight it, and then you're going to paste in the image. So if we save, you're telling it to tell it the image, what it's going to say is the image. So you see here, and as you see the title I put in earlier, it says My Forum, and I hover over it for a couple of seconds. If I click that, it takes me to here. So that's basically adding images, links, and connecting images and links, and I hope it helps. Also, sign up for the softwaremasterforum.gk, it'll be in the description, and visit the main website. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.